Hello, dear students, and welcome to our new English lesson. Today, our topic is friendship. My name is Snježana Pavić, and I will be your teacher today. By the end of this lesson, I expect you to be able to understand the text about friendship and also to talk about friendship using reported speech. Ova lekcija djelomično ponavlja upravni i neupravni govor koji ste mogli slušati u lekciji Young People and Money. Toj lekciji možete pristupiti pomoću ove poveznice Young People and Money ili ako skenirate ovaj QR code. For this lesson, you will need a notebook, a pencil, a device with internet connection, and a QR reader. Do you find it easy to make new friends? Here are some simple things that you can do to make friends with somebody. Simply say hello. You don't have to have a long conversation. Just find out what this person likes to talk about. Ask what his or her name is and tell yours. Share your hobby or interest. Don't stick to things you don't like. Not all friendships are the same. You can be friends with one person, just acquainted with another, and best friends with yet another. Please pause the video now, copy these circles into your notebooks, and then fill in the names of the people in each of the circles. I'm sure you know that BFF is a term for someone's best friend or close friend. The acronym BFF became popular as a quick way for friends while messaging on the computer or sending a text message. Think about the following questions. Who is your best friend? Why is somebody your best friend? What special qualities does he or she have? And do you find it easy to make new friends? Why is someone your best friend? There are many reasons. Maybe because that person makes you feel happy, listens to you, sticks around when things get tough. Maybe it is someone you can trust, you have a lot in common with. You can talk about anything, someone who supports you, or someone you get on well. Which of the reasons make your top 5 list? Please pause the video again and make your top 5 list in your notebooks. Friendships are wonderful relationships that can last a lifetime. Please pause the video again and create a list, just like mine, with a yellow rose. And why the yellow rose? Well, because the traditional color for friendship is yellow, which is why yellow roses are associated with friendship. Copy the title, draw the rose in the middle on your list, and then copy the 2 subtitles for the things that can make a friendship bloom and for the things that can damage a friendship. On each side of the yellow rose, write the following words and expressions. The first one is accept. The important thing about accepting a friend is that you accept each other's differences for who your friends are and not for who you would like them to be. Do not criticize. It's so easy to criticize sometimes and so hard to give a compliment. If we continually criticize our friends, we will drive them away. As relationships grow, it is common for friends to share confidential information with you. Do not betray your friends by sharing their secret stories with others. Be kind. Show that you care. Do some easy things like offering help with homework, for example. If you are feeling angry because someone else says that your friend is his or her best friend, it is a sign that you are possessive. It is not fine, nor is it cute. Empathy means that a friend is able to share and understand the emotions and feelings of another person. Showing empathy is very important in building friendship. Give compliments. Say nice things to your friend. Make your friend feel special. And when you do something wrong, admit it. Learn to apologize. Sometimes all your friend wants to hear from you is you to say, "I'm sorry." Selfishness means focusing on ourselves and wanting our own way. For example, when the time comes for you to talk, selfish friend always finds a way to turn the conversation back to himself or herself. It can eventually ruin a friendship. One way to show respect to friends is by taking their thoughts and feelings seriously. Manipulative friends may demand that you spend all your free time with them. They may even try to control what you wear and who your friends are. Make time for fun with friends. It makes both of you happier. Have fun together. You may feel jealous because you do not have things or qualities your friend has and you really want them. Or you know that you are supposed to feel happy for your friend, but somehow you feel like you are in a competition with your friend to be better. Well, you can talk about it with your friend. Sometimes when we speak about the stuff that is bothering us, we take away some of its power. You might be surprised. If you want your friends to trust you, then you must keep your promises. Sometimes you can't keep a promise, while life isn't always predictable. Well, then the best thing to do is to apologize. Dishonesty means that you are not telling the whole truth and leaving out parts in order to hide something. Sometimes one of the reasons friends lie is simply to avoid hurting your feelings. Questions like, "Does this color look good on me?" or "Do you think I can sing?" might make friends tell a lie. What you can do is to encourage your friends to be straight with you. You could even tell them, "Be gentle, but be honest." Let's compare our list. Does your list look the same as mine? Now you know about the yellow rose, but who is this little fellow? Yes, this is Winnie the Pooh. Well, Winnie the Pooh has many wonderful quotes about friendship, including, "A day spent with you is my favorite day, so today is my new favorite day." In 1997, the United Nations named Winnie the Pooh as the world's ambassador of friendship. And here is a reading task for you. You will read a text about World Friendship Day. Please pause the video, type the link bit.ly/read-friendship or copy the QR code. On the left side, you can see the text, and on the right, the two tasks for you. At the bottom of the page, you will see a button Submit, Potvrdi. After you press the button, you will be asked to write in your name, your email, and your teacher's email so you can send the answers to your teacher. Let's go back to you and your friends. You see, every friendship is unique. Therefore, I would like you to interview a pair of friends in your class and find out what makes their friendship special. So, copy the following sentences and ask them to complete the sentences with the words and expressions we have learned today. And then, first write a report on the pair and then on each individual in the pair. Be careful about changing direct speech into indirect speech. Send the report to your teacher. And we have reached the self-assessment. On the left side, you have 3 sentences. Name some qualities of a good friend, read the text and do the tasks, and report about friendship. And now put a tick under the right heading. I can do this very well, I could do this better, or I need to try this again. And now it's time to relax and do something for your friend. You still have a lot of time before July. Here is an idea. You can copy the link or scan the QR code, and you will see an easy tutorial how to use plastic bottles and make bracelets at home. You can give them as gifts. Or, if you are poetic, you can write a poem in which you appreciate your friendship. That's all for today. Remember to take care of your friends. Actually, why don't you send a message right now that will make your friends smile? How about this one? Well, that's all for today. Bye-bye.